Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain about the political history of Kakatiyas, part 2. In previous video, we shall discuss about the part 1, the first part, the political history of Kakatiyas. Like that, subordinate rulers and sovereign rulers, Kakatiya Rudradeva and Mahadeva. Okay, students, put the headings. Today our topic is political history of Kakatiyas, part 2. In that, the first ruler was Ganapati Deva. After the death of Mahadeva, he ascended the throne in the year of 1199. Actually, Mahadeva died in the war of Yadavas. He was also prisoned in the hands of Yadava rulers. But later, after 11 months, he released from the Yadavas and occupied the throne of Kakatiya kingdom. From these 11 months, the Kakatiya kingdom was protected by Recharla Prasaditya. That's why he is known as Kakatiya Yavana Pratisthana Charya. So, from 1199 onwards, he ruled the Kakatiya kingdom up to 1262. It is a vast period. Nearly 63 years he ruled the kingdom of the Kakatiyas. So, okay, what about his biography? He was the greatest ruler of the Kakatiyan kingdom. He was the great ruler. And he was a great warrior. And he was a great bravest person also. And also, he was a great good administrator also. And he was the son of Mahadeva. Who is Ganapati Deva? He was the son of Mahadeva. What about his invades? He was a great warrior. Already we says which areas or which regions are occupied by the Ganapati Deva. That is the invades of Ganapati Deva. In that, I mentioned some key points about the invades of Ganapati Deva. The first one is conquest of Velanadu. Conquest of Velanadu. Velanadu ప్రాంతాన్ని ఆక్యుపై చేసుకున్నాడు. Who ruled Velanadu region? Prithvishwara. Prithvishwara was the ruler of Velanadu. But he was defeated by the Ganapati Deva, and this region goes to Kakatiya kingdom. And second, conquest of Divisima fort. He invaded on Divisima fort. The Divisima was ruled by Pinnachoda. So this was also occupied by the Ganapati Deva. And third one, conquest of Vengi. Vengi, the Kolanu Vamsha rulers was a rule of Vengi region. The Ganapati Deva invaded on Vengi region and defeat of the Kolonadu rulers and occupied the region of Vengi and merged in the Kakatiya kingdom. And next, conquest of South Kalinga. Kalinga was ruled by Ganga Rajas. But the Ganapati Deva invaded on Kalinga, especially southern part of Kalinga kingdom, and defeated the Ganga Rajas and occupied the South Kalinga region and merged in the Kakatiya kingdom. And next, conquest of south and north part of Telangana. The south and west part of north part of Telangana was ruled by Yadava rulers. When he was gained the strength, he was invaded on Yadavan kingdom. So the west and north part of Yadava kingdom, southern part of Telangana was occupied by the Ganapati Deva. And he was war with Choda, Savana and Karnataka alliance. These alliance also defeated by the Ganapati Deva. Choda, Savana and Karnataka alliance. This alliance also defeated by the Ganapati Deva, and that region also occupied by the Ganapati Deva, and defeated Cholas and Hoysalas. Hoysala rulers and Chola rulers also defeated by the Ganapati Deva. They were very strengthened and strong rulers in the region of Karnataka, but they were also defeated by the Ganapati Deva. And next, conquest of Kadapa. Kadapa region also occupied by the Ganapati Deva. And war with Pandyas. This is the last war of the Ganapati Deva. This war is Muttukuru war. It is happened in the year of 1263. In the year of 1263, it was invaded on Pandyan kingdom. Thus, war of Muttukuru was ranged on Pandyas and Kakatiyas. In that war, Kakatiyan army was defeated by the Pandyan rulers. So this is the last war of Ganapati Deva. ఇక తర్వాత ఎప్పుడు కూడా మనకు యుద్ధాలు గణపతి దేవుడు యుద్ధం చేయలేదు. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద కాంక్విస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది గణపతి దేవ. అండ్ వాట్ అబౌట్ ది స్పెషల్ ఫీచర్స్ ఆఫ్ గణపతి దేవ? ఈ కంప్లీటెడ్ ద ఓరుగల్లు ఫోర్ట్. హూ లేడ్ ద ఫౌండేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఓరుగల్లు ఫోర్ట్? కాకతీయ రుద్రదేవ. బట్ ద ఓరుగల్లు ఫోర్ట్ వాజ్ కంప్లీటెడ్ బై గణపతి దేవ. అండ్ the Ganapati Deva changed the capital of Kakatiyans from Hanamakonda to Orugallu Fort. During the time of Ganapati Deva, the Kakatiyan capital was changed. From which? Hanamakonda to Orugallu. Up to Ganapati Deva, the Kakatiyan capital was Hanamakonda. But Ganapati Deva onwards, it is changed to Orugallu Fort. This is a brief political history of Ganapati Deva. This is most important in the view of very short answer question and a short answer question in the view of annual examination. So students, read very carefully. And next, Rudrama Devi. What is the time period of Rudrama Devi? He ruled between 1263 to 1289. 1263 to 1289 is the chronology time of Rani Rudrama Devi. And what about his special feature? Rani Rudrama Devi was the first South Indian woman ruler. Okay, he was the one and only woman ruler of Kakatiyan kingdom, and he was the first South Indian woman ruler. And what is his character? He was the bravest personality, and he was a good political administrator. When he ascended the throne of Kakatiya kingdom, he occupied the Bidar fort from Yadavas. He defeated the Yadava rulers and occupied the Bidar fort, and he defeated Cholas and Pandyas also. When he was ascended the throne, the Cholas and Pandyans were invaded on Kakatiya ruler. Why? Because he was a woman ruler. That's why they were thought that they easily defeated the Kakatiyan kingdom and occupied them. But he defeated the Cholas and Pandyas and protect the Kakatiyan kingdom. And also, who support to the Rani Rudramadevi? Gona Ganna Reddy and Recharla Prasaditya and Kayastha Janniga Deva and Induluri Annaya and Viriyala Suri. These are the most important generals of Rani Rudramadevi. Villu nammina bantulu annattu. They were all support to the Rani Rudramadevi. Who is that fellows? Gona Ganna Reddy and Recharla Prasaditya, Kayastha Janniga Deva, Induluri Annaya and Viriyala Suri. So from the support of these great generals, Rani Rudramadevi ruled very good administrate in the contemporary period. And he assumed the title Raya Gaja Kesari. She assumed the title Raya Gaja Kesari. At the end, he was died in the war of 1289. And final ruler, second Pratapa Rudra. He ruled from 1289 to 1323. So he was also a great ruler and he was a great warrior. But the Delhi Sultan's invades started on the time of at the time of second Prataparudra. They were easily defeated by the Delhi Sultans. Okay, he was the last ruler of the Kakatiyan kingdom. Okay, second Prataparudra was the last ruler of Kakatiyan kingdom, and he was the grandson of Rani Rudramadevi. Rani Rudramadevi also no sons. That's why his grandson, second Prataparudra, was ascended the throne after the death of Rani Rudramadevi. When after the ascended throne, he conquered on Tripurantakam, Nelluru and Adoni. Tripurantakam, Nelluru and Adoni, and he was also occupied Rayachur Doab, and he helped to the Sundara Pandya. In the war succession of Pandyans, he support to the Sundara Pandya and he defeated the Veera Pandya. And sultans invade on Kakatiyan kingdom. Here, during his time, 4 times of Sultan invades on Kakatiyan kingdom. One is 1303 Juna Khan and 1309 Malik Kafur, 1320 Khusru Khan and 1323 Ulugh Khan. Finally, he was prisoned by the hands of Ulugh Khan. He suicide in jump in Narmada river. Narmada river lo atadu duki atmahatya chesukovatam jarigindi. With the death of second Prataparudra, the Kakatiyan kingdom was declared. So the Urgallu name was changed as a Sultanpur. Then Sultanpur ga marchvesi this Kakatiyan kingdom was merged in the Delhi Sultanate kingdom. So this is a brief political history of Kakatiyas. Tomorrow onwards, we shall discuss about the administration system of Kakatiyas.